Good morning guys, in front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Security and Biometrics, and here click on Fingerprint. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. Tap on Next, then re-enter it, confirm, and now manage notification content. Now it's time to enter your fingerprint, so just click on plus icon and locate the sensor. Sensor is located on your power button right here, so grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping on power button till it's fully added. On your screen you can see the progress. And that's it. As you can see, just click on done to finish the whole operation, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Wakey wakey. So here it is. Obviously you can also use the backup pattern that we set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.